Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this week, as you saw in the description, I will be opening an Ofra mystery box. This box costs $25 and is supposed to include 4 items. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, I actually dressed up for you. Well, I know. No t-shirt, no yoga pants, no sweatpants, real clothes. I'm even wearing, I don't know if you can see, I'm even wearing real pants. I'm wearing jeans. I know, it's crazy. I figured, okay, enough's enough. We need to get ourselves together. We need to look nice for once. We need to feel like ourselves, be productive, not just binge shows on Netflix. What have you guys been watching? Please tell me in the comments below. I've actually been almost finished with the Star Trek The Next Generation series. I really like Star Trek. I know, but don't judge. It's fine. Let me know what you want to watch in the comments below. Wes and I also just finished season 2 of Altered Carbon, which we really love those types of sci-fi shows. So let us know what you've been watching. So I haven't peeked at this at all, okay? I don't know if you can see here, but here's the tab to rip it. I have not even opened it yet, so I have no idea what's in here. I've never gotten a mystery box from Ofra, so I don't know if it's just gonna be like crap they're trying to get rid of. I don't know if it's still gonna be stuff for sale, if it's gonna be discontinued stuff. They're just trying to clear old inventory. I will let you know the tea, but this was $25, supposed to include 4 items. I tried to get one of these mystery boxes back on, I think it was Black Friday they did them. They don't do them very often, and they were sold out. So this time they had 3 mystery boxes. They emailed me and were basically like, surprised, everyone's depressed because they're stuck at their houses. Here, have a mystery box to make you feel better. So I fell right into that. I think they had one skincare one for $35, a cosmetics one for $35. I think those included 5 items, or they were maybe 4 that were worth more money, I'm not sure. And then they also had the cosmetics one worth $25, so that's what I got. I shouldn't say worth $25. It cost $25. I'm not sure what the value is supposed to be, but we will find out. Okay, they taped over top of this thing, so it's being rather complicated. Also, I'll let you know if these guys are still in stock or not, but it came in a matter of days, you guys. Like, it was priority mail, 3-day. I did not pay for that. I think it was like $5 for shipping. So Ofra was on it. If you've never gotten anything from Ofra, they're out of Florida, which I think they just went into their stay-home order in Florida, if I'm not mistaken from watching the news. But Ofra is still working. They're still going. They're still shipping. Here we go. Okay, so I should specify I've only ever exclusively tried highlighters and liquid lips from Ofra, so I have no idea what's going to be in here. Obviously, my makeup's already done today, but I will swatch everything for you guys. So first up here, oh, it's a little mini hand sanitizer. I hope that doesn't count as one of the 4 items, but you know, nice that they're thinking of people, and there's a little hand sanitizer that's included in there. It's just a tiny little packet. You might get a couple uses tops, maybe one out of there. Maybe they think people want to sanitize their hands before they open these products. I'm not sure, but that's thoughtful nonetheless. First thing here we have is a lip product. It is in Truffle. This does not say it's a liquid lip. It kind of looks like a gloss, but it's got a really pretty reflect in it. It kind of reminds me the base color of the shade that I got that was a Nikki Tutorials collab. Yeah, so this is definitely a gloss, but it's a really nice nudie gloss. It has kind of like some gold refract in it. Let me show you that here on my hand. It's pretty sheared out. I would say you could layer it over a lipstick and you would get kind of like a gold shift, reflect, whatever glitter you want to call it, that would be in there. So again, that was a gloss in shade Truffle. Next, we have lip liner in shade Plum Perfect. This is actually really good for me because I don't have that many lip liners. It's not that I don't like them, I just don't have that many. And I like that the top there shows you the shade. Let's see. It's not the creamiest liner I've ever tried. I'm not going to say it's dry. Obviously, I'm doing it on my hand, not on my lips, but the Huda Beauty one is the creamiest one I've ever tried. So there it is, this top shade here on my hand. It's pretty, I mean, it's plum. It's called Plum Perfect. It's a plum liner, but that would go with a lot of shades here. Oh, look, okay, I found another. They actually sent 2 of these little hand sanitizer packets, so that's really nice. Oh my gosh, I think there's more than 4 items. Maybe it was 5 items. Maybe I was wrong, guys. They sent this little, it says it's a refill that you can use in palettes and kits. I don't have a palette, so I don't know, but apparently you can get just refills. That probably saves you some money and cost, I would think, because the packaging of the palette is so bulky sometimes. This is a single eyeshadow. It's in Gold Rush. I don't know how I'm going to store this, is going to be my only thing, because I don't have a palette, but it comes like this. There's a little foam here, and then this little metal pan just lifts out, and I guess you would put it in whatever your palette is that you already have. Let's swatch that for you guys. Oh, that's a really nice shade. This would be really pretty all over the lid. So here is right here. It's pretty sheer too, but it's, I mean, it's a true gold. You could probably build it up. It probably applies better with your finger than a brush because it is a metallic shade. So again, that's eyeshadow in Gold Rush. It looks like we have 2 more items here. So we have another lip gloss. This one is in more of a squeezy tube. And I'm gonna say some of this must be older stuff because the logos on these look different. Let me show you something I ordered. So this is a highlighter I recently ordered. This is Space Baby. And if you look, this is the new logo on it. It's kind of like this square with the letters in the outer corners. That's their new one. And the old logo looks like this. You can maybe see it right here on the bottle. It's also right here on this. The A had that kind of like filled in triangle thing. And I see another product in here. You can see it on the top of the lip product here. It has the same like filled in A situation. So I'm gonna say these probably all are older products or products that they're trying to clear out inventory. But that being said, doesn't seem to be any like crazy unwearable shades in here so far. This lip gloss is in shade Mocha. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of that out on my hand for you guys to see. Ooh, I really like that shade. That seems pretty pigmented for a gloss. There it is right there on my hand. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of sheer it out a little bit so you can see it, but it's not as opaque or transparent as, let me get it here. This one is way more sheer than this one is. Little squeezy tube. There is kind of sheared out on my hand. It's really pretty. I want a little bit of that right now. I mean, really. And there's one more item, you guys. They have bubble wrapped it separately so it doesn't break, which I appreciate. I don't want shattered, broken products when I ship them and order them. Sure, you guys don't either. I like that they have taken into consideration that so that you can think about, you know, stuff not breaking. And they've got a lot of bubble wrap here, the package too. I saw somebody the other day on my stories on Instagram that was like, oh, ordered something, got bubble wrap. Here's my activity for the afternoon. And they were like, I can't even do it. These are like unpoppable. You know what I mean though. The little poppy sounds that you get. It'll, more like this one where they're like, oh yay, popping. What the heck? Why can't I pop them? Okay, well, apparently I am an adult and I'm inept and therefore I can't be a child and having fun anymore and pop them. That's all I can figure out. But that aside, the last item is a blush. It is a full-size blush for sure. This is pretty big and it's in shade Mai Tai. Again, it's got that old logo with the old A, so this probably is old inventory they're clearing out, but I'm not mad at it because it's not like awkward random colors that I would never be able to wear. That being said, this is straight up orange. It says it's Mai Tai. A little of this would go a very long way on my fair skin. And I will say, sometimes in the summer I get a little more tan, so yeah, maybe. But just watch it here. The embossing on there, I don't know if you guys can see the texture of that, but that's kind of cool too and unique and different. It does look very chalky, I will say. I'm going to put it on the front of my hand since I'm kind of running out on the back of my hand. There's the color right there. It's more of like a sheer orange. I'm going to go ahead on the back of my hand too in case you guys can't see that. It is pretty sheer, so maybe it wouldn't be so stark orange, but there it is on my hand right there. So yeah, I mean, for $25 we got a blush, we got a lip gloss in a squeezy tube, we got a lip gloss in a wand tube, we got a lip liner, we got a single eyeshadow, and we got 2 little packets of hand sanitizer, which, you know, on the black market, this could be worth the $25 alone. So I'm pretty happy with that for $25. I would definitely say I would get those again. This was really fun. I have not disliked a single thing I've tried from Ofra so far. So do with that information what you want. I love mystery boxes. It's kind of like a present to myself, but I don't know what I'm going to get. But I at least know it's going to be cosmetics, and these are all things I can see myself using. Let me know if you'd like to see me use any of these in action. I also want to let you guys know that I have decided, at least for the next 4 weeks while we are at home, I am going to start uploading 2 times a week instead of just 1 time a week. I'm hoping that it'll be some extra content to help you guys pass the time, to entertain you. And quite frankly, it's a good positive distraction for me too, to be filming and editing and feel like I'm creating something. So I was just uploading on Sundays only. I'm now going to be uploading on Sundays and Wednesdays. So please stay tuned for that. If you're not already, please click that subscribe button. I'm so close to 100. I'm trying really hard. Wes has said that he will come back on my channel once I get to 100 subscribers. So please, I'm looking forward to torturing my boyfriend. He's stuck in the house with me. He can't escape. Please help me get there. I think I need like 17 more subscribers to get there. So click that like button. It helps to circulate this video in the YouTube algorithm. And if you're not already, you can click the notification bell so that you know every time I upload. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.